Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can contact to customer service of Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, simply open the application and from here make sure that you are logged into your account, and here you can see the option of support. Tap on it and then you will get the option of the live chat. Just like this, here you can see this is the live chat. If you tap on let's chat right here, you'll have to now write down your name and the transaction ID if it's available, and all you have to do is tap on start chat. So you'll also have to write down your email, but email will be there automatically according to your account. So if you tap on start chat, here an AI bot will answer to all of your questions, but this is not a real customer service. A real person is not talking to you. So in order to get a real person to the chat, you have to write a prompt, can I talk to customer service? Can I talk to customer service? Just like this, after writing this prompt, all you have to do is tap on the send option right here. And just like this, here you can see the AI bot is forwarding your message to a customer care employer. Just like this, here you can see a person is typing. Now you can simply chat your issue with this person. Here you can see they have sent you a chat, hello, how can I help? So you can simply explain your issue to them, or if any questions you can do that and simply tap on send. Here you can see this is the person that you are talking to right now, and if you want to end this chat, all you have to do is tap on this cross option right here and then tap on close the chat. So after doing that, you can simply give them feedback just like this and then tap on submit. And if you want to chat another time, you can tap on start the chat again. And just like this, you will be able to contact to the customer service of Changelly. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.